Breaking news on Bitcoin mining in Texas. Bitcoin miners shut off rigs as Texas power grid near Brinks. Now, nearly all industrial Bitcoin miners in Texas have shut off their machines as the company braces for a heat wave that is expected to push the state's power grid near its breaking point. Now, miners such as Ride Blockchain, Argo Blockchain, and Core Scientific, who operate millions of energy intense computers to secure Bitcoin blockchain network, earn rewards and tokens, flock to the Lane Star thanks to low energy costs and liberal regulations on crypto mining. The state has become one of the largest crypto mining hubs by computing power in the world. In Texas, baby. Okay. Now, there are over 1,000 megawatts worth of Bitcoin mining load that responded to the ERCOT's conversation request by turning off their machines to conserve energy for the grid. Now, Lee Brancher, the president of the Texas Blockchain Association, told Bloomberg in the email response. Now, that 1,000 megawatts, that's a lot. Okay. That's a lot of power out there for the Bitcoin miners. Now, this represents nearly all industrial scale Bitcoin mining load in Texas and allows for over 1% of total grid capacity to be pushed back into the grid for retail and commercial use. Now, miners may see a drop in profitability as the heat wave keeps their machines off by sending energy prices soaring and further stressing the state's power grid. The miners have already struggling to repay debt and raise additional capital with Bitcoin prices in a sharp decline. Now, we're going to top decline. Okay, that man, everybody's in decline. Everybody's pockets hurting. Now, shares of public miners have tumbled about 75% this year. Everybody hurting. Now, this is an all-time peak record for energy usage set on Friday with 78,000 megawatts, breaking the previous unofficial all-time peak of 77,000 megawatts that occurred on July the 5th, according to the data from the state's Power Operating Electrical Rehabilitation Council of Texas. The operator has been working with Bitcoin miners who are required to turn off mining machines when the state faces emergency shortages, like right now. So it's hurting the Bitcoin miners' pockets. Now, while Texas is likely to face more energy shortages in the future, they expect crypto miners to increase electricity demand by up to 6,000 megawatts by mid-2023, more than enough power to every home in Houston. That's a lot of Bitcoin mining power going out in these mines. That's why we need more green energy to save. Now, with crypto, we can't be not destroying the world. Now, currently 100% of the machines located in Texas have been powered off to provide support for the grid. Now, Mike Levitt said in a troubled situations, including the current Texas heat event, we have been circulating power and will continue to curtain power as needed. The company operates in 6 states with less than 15% of its production located in Texas. Now, this is your latest news on what's going on with the crypto. Now, if you're into crypto mining, go ahead and leave us a message, subscribe, all that down at the bottom, because this is your crypto news update. Be blessed to invest in yourself.
Money Talk Show TV, where we make that money talk. Crypto news with investing, now that's some money talk.